Okay, so today I'm going to go over writing numerical inequalities. Um, so really, it's just telling the difference between whatever two numbers are, which one's the smallest, which one's the largest, and paying attention to your inequality symbol. So if we're looking, we really just have to drag the white cards onto the gray triangle or rectangle to create the inequality. The elevation of the Cayman Trough is negative 7 and 7/10 kilometers, and the Mariana Trench has an elevation of negative 10 and 9/10 kilometers. They're both below sea level, but the one farthest below sea level would be the lowest, and that would be our negative 10 because it's farther below. So that one would be less than negative 7 and 7/10. And then we're going to choose a description that matches it. So the one that had the negative 10 and 9/10 was the Mariana Trench. So I noticed that it's asking which one has the lower elevation. So I'm looking for the one that says Mariana Trench does, and that would be choice B. All right. On the next one, it says a red bird is flying at an elevation of 17 1/9 meters. A bluebird is flying at an elevation of 10 3/5 meters. So, which number is greater? We know with positive numbers, the larger number is greater. So that would be choice B. And then I'm going to look at the descriptions. It's asking which one's at a higher elevation. So the one at 17 1/9 meters was the red bird. So that would be choice B. And we'll just do one more. So Bajo del, y'all can pronounce it however you want, has an elevation of negative 72 meters. And then Lago whatever has an elevation of negative 46 meters. So they're both below sea level. So the inequality I'm going to write, since they're both negative, I know the larger negative number is farther below sea level. So it's lower. So negative 72 is going to be less than negative 46. Or I would also be right if I put negative 46 is greater than negative 72. Either one of those is correct. Now it's asking which one has a higher elevation. Now, the one with the highest elevation in this case would be the one with the lowest negative number, and that's the one that starts with Lago. So that means that would be choice B. And that's pretty much how you're going to do those. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.